Hey guys, so this is a video just detailing one of my favorite new fat burning detox drinks that I decided to try. There are tons of these recipes on YouTube. I got this one from a channel called Risa's Tips. I love her. I love her recipes. I've tried a couple and I'm probably going to try more. I'll include a link to her channel in the description, but the recipe I came up with, well, not came up with, I basically combined her detox recipe, one of them, with a similar fat burning recipe, and I did it by accident. I was going off memory. So it's basically a mixture of pineapple, cucumber, ginger, a lot of ginger, and a generous splash of lime juice at the end. So in her recipes, she uses lemon juice, but I really like limes, and lime is kind of stronger. So, and it was what I had on hand. So yeah, lime juice for me. So this is the pulp from the juice I squeezed out. I'm gonna be using it tomorrow, or yeah, I guess tomorrow, in a banana smoothie, just like the video suggested. And here is the glass of juice I came up with. So I'm enjoying a glass of the belly flattening juice. It's a little bit different every time I make it, depending on how I measure the ingredients. So this one is a little bit stronger ginger. Depending on how much pineapple you're putting in it, it'll be a little bit sweeter versus not sweeter if you make it in batches. If you make it all at once, then it's gonna pretty much have a taste that is pineapple-y but not overpowering. The flavors actually balance really well. And the lime juice just adds like that extra zest at the end. So I'm gonna keep drinking this. I've been drinking it for, let's say, a week, and then I took a couple of days off. And the first night I actually came down maybe 4 to 6 pounds, and then I wasn't eating too clean, but I didn't really gain all of it back. So it's kind of been like up and down within a few pounds for me, which is kind of like not unlike how things have been, but the difference is my clothes fit differently. So I would say this juice does work. My stomach does look a little bit flatter to me. Definitely my clothes fit differently. So I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna try to get my diet in order, get more protein in, mostly do veggies. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. And if you try this belly flattening juice, let me know how it works.